real wiring in 3D. And at the end, I'll show you how I brought this entire system to life, installing the switch and powering the light. But first, watch how it was all built. First, I'm preparing the wires for the light switch. This brown wire is the hot. It goes to the lamp. These brown wires bring the incoming power. The yellow wires are the ground, and the blue wires are the neutral. Now we take the 3-contact WAGO connector and match all the wires by color. Yellow and green go together. That's our ground. Blue wires go together. That's the neutral. This leaves only the brown wires, one for the lamp and one for the incoming power. Those are the wires that connect directly to the switch. At the bottom, we connect the outgoing brown phase wire that goes to the lamp. At the top, we have the incoming power for the switch. Why are there 2 wires? Because one line brings power to the switch, and the second line continues to the outlet. Next, we mount the switch into the electrical box, install the frame, and finally test the mechanism. Make sure to like this video for the effort, and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time!